Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to convert USDC to Canadian dollars on Newton in 2025 using the latest application interface. So whether you are cashing out or just rebalancing your funds, this guide has you covered. First of all, you need to open your web browser or the Newton application, and you need to basically come on newton.com if you are using the web browser and log in into your account. Now once you are logged in, you will see this type of interface in front of you where you can basically enter the amount in form of USDC, and it is going to basically show you the equivalent amount in the Canadian dollars. Over here you will see the buy crypto option, so you need to simply just enter the amount and tap on the option of buy crypto here in the bottom. On the next page, you will have to purchase the crypto with the help of your bank account or with the help of your debit or credit card. Basically, you need to confirm this transaction. Once you get the USDC in your account, then you will be able to basically convert it in the Canadian dollar. Here, if you just scroll down a bit on this page, you will see that you can use USDC to Canadian calculator at the top of the page in order to convert any of the amount of the USDC into Canadian dollars. Prefer viewing a quick reference guide, scroll up to check out the asset conversion tables that are populated with the most common conversions. So basically this is how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more how-tos, and comment if you want a full guide on how you can withdraw Canadian dollars to your bank account next from Newton. Thanks for watching.